Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, sahabat Om Yokan Channel. Kali ini kita akan bereksperimen nih, membuat tempat pakan burung di aviary. Nah, kan aviary minggu kemarin kita bongkar ya, jadi udah lega. Jadi kita pengennya makannya di sini, terus kita kasih extra fooding. Permasalahan kalau dikasih ulet gitu diangkutin semut ya, atau enggak dikasih kroto diangkutin semut. Jadi kita mau bikin kayak tak-takan gitu di sini biar burungnya enggak disemutin ya. Ikutin kegiatan kami dan jangan lupa like serta subscribe.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to
Oke sahabat, ini sudah jadi ya. Jadi ntar makannya kita porsir di sini bareng sama ulet kandang atau ulet Hongkong atau kroto. Sekarang penangkal semutnya ada di sini. Jadi ini kita ngambil dari cantolan ya. Di bekas cantolan ini ntar kita kasih gemuk atau minyak untuk menahan dia biar bisa berdiri. Kita paku ke papan. Jadi udah, jadi untuk ngebersihnya bisa diangkat. Kita taruh lagi. Oke, mungkin itu aja. Salam satu hobi.